On the lift behind me, you will see a Corvette, which is common to see here at Blackout at any of our locations. You guys know that one of our business partners is horsepower obsessed in our Miami store. It's a Corvette focused YouTube channel, but the difference between this one and most of the others that we have worked on, this is the new Grand Sport. We've done lots of C8s, lots of Z06s, more than we can count, a couple of ZR1s. I think this may be the first Grand Sport we've had in any Blackout location. Pretty certain it is in the Latrobe location. So it's been a while since we've done sort of a deep dive video on a car that we're working on. I want to show you this car. What makes a Grand Sport a Grand Sport? Well, it's the same thing that used to make a Grand Sport, which is it looks basically like the Z06 with a little bit less power under the hood. So does not have all like the track features that the Z06 has. Doesn't have quite the horsepower or the handling capabilities. From what I understand, it's, I think, close to or equally as fast as the Z06 in like a quarter mile, but still a very capable car, just a little bit less aggressive than the Z06. And the starting price is under 100 grand. This one's 95,000 starting, and I think the Z06 is like 120. So it could be a good bargain buy, or if you're just somebody that doesn't like that super aggressive approach of the Z06 or the ZR1, the Grand Sport's a great option. It still looks fantastic. It's got that wide body, the big fender inlets behind the door for the air intakes. Anyhow, this one is getting a full wrap with XPEL paint protection film and a ceramic coating. And people ask us all the time, what is a full wrap? What gets protected with a full wrap? Do you cut on the car? Do you not cut on the car? There's all sorts of little questions like that that I think I can help answer in this video. So you're gonna see Caleb right now installing pieces on the front bumper, and he's working on that carbon flash splitter underneath the bumper right now. So one of those questions is, do the trim pieces get protected too, or just the main body panels? Well, if you have a great software like we do, we use XPEL products as well as XPEL's DAP software. In our opinion, it's the best on the market. It has pretty much every car in there as well as every submodel. So if you want to look up this Corvette, you have to look up Chevy, Corvette, and then the specific Grand Sport, and sometimes there's different trim levels underneath Grand Sport as well. And that is what gives you your configuration of all these different body panels. And on some cars, this may be painted. As in this case, it's painted carbon flash. Sometimes this is plastic. Sometimes different trim panels are painted, or there's different configurations. And so our software is intelligent enough to have the vast majority of those in there. And the thing about XPEL patterns, they are made and test fitted. This is not something that they just scan it with a 3D scanner and then call it a day and press print, and you have to hopefully figure out if it's going to fit. The XPEL technicians and design team, I've met many of them personally. They are really, really good, very dedicated at what they do, and they're putting out phenomenal patterns for us to get great coverage. Now, why use a pattern as opposed to a bulk installation? Almost everything that we do is going to be a modified pattern. So this bumper pattern is not going to, by default, wrap into areas like this or into the wheel well. There's a relief cut right here on the pattern that we remove so that we have a little bit less seams. And so every single pattern, we go ahead and modify them a little bit because we are experienced professional installers and because we want our edges and installs to be as seamless as possible. A bulk install, on the other hand, might allow you to get phenomenal coverage and actually sometimes less seams than a kit install. The problem with that is then you're hand cutting every single line on the car. So the chances of a mistake and actually cutting the paint and damaging the paint are much higher. If you have a skilled technician, it's very possible they could do an entire bulk install and never damage the paint on the car. But again, the chances are higher. There's also usually a lot more disassembly associated with a bulk install. So if we were going to bulk this bumper, the red part, it would be very difficult to stretch into here and get a knife up in here to trim this with all of this trim in place. And so often what you'll find is people will do a full disassembly of this bumper. For a color change operation like a vinyl wrap or a PPF color change, that makes sense and is probably necessary to do because you can't go to the edge and stop. You have to wrap the whole way around because you might see a little bit of red. But for a clear installation, it really doesn't make any sense. If you're doing the paint protection film in order to protect the paint on the car, you're not really going to gain any protection by disassembling all of this. You might gain, a less visible edge, but the product is so clear. If you're more than a foot away from it, you never see the edge anyhow, even if it's a pretty exposed edge. And so we just don't believe in doing disassembly and things like that for typical normal kit installs. We do believe in modifying it to make them fit really nice and tight. We don't want to cut on your car any more than we have to. We do trim sometimes because we modify wrapping edges and things like that. We will have to trim out corners and edges and things like that, but it's usually in hidden areas. And again, we are trained professionals that know what we're doing. We're just limiting the amount of trimming that we're doing on your paint. On a full wrap, one of the other common questions are, what gets covered? You know, we got the paint, we got the trim pieces. We can do headlights. We rarely do taillights. There's hardly ever a pattern for that, and the odds of a taillight getting beat up are very slim. People do a full wrap though because they also want to avoid micro scratches and swirl marks and just keep that paint looking pristine forever. Now, pieces like this mirror, going to be very challenging to do in one piece. In fact, probably borderline impossible even if you bulked it. And so this will have a couple of seams. All of those are computer cut seams, so they line up really nice and tight. But a question that comes up often is, can you do the wheels? These are a beautiful finish on these wheels. Can you protect that with PPF? And the answer is simply no. Could I put PPF on pieces of this wheel? Absolutely. Could I get full coverage on this? Absolutely not. And you end up with seams and relief cuts and stuff all over the place. And so wheels never get PPF, wheels get ceramic coating. And the ceramic coating, which is also going to go on top of the paint protection film on this car, is not going to stop rock chips or scratches. It's going to help remove brake dust easily. It's going to help when you wash the car to shed water really, really well. So it improves the washing experience, makes it far faster to get the car clean. So wheels like this, those brakes are going to produce lots and lots of dust on most sports cars. They're going to get really black and gray and brown looking from that. And a simple wash is going to do a lot as opposed to having to really scrub these wheels with heavy cleaners. Now we still use cleaners, we still use brushes, but that might take us 2 minutes to clean that wheel instead of 10 minutes. And so if you're somebody that's an enthusiast that likes taking care of your car and hand washing your car and all that kind of stuff, a ceramic coating makes a really big difference for taking care of your car at home. Thank you very much for tuning in to our overview of what we're doing on this C8 Grand Sport. Let us know if you want to see more of these kind of behind the scenes videos where we go more in depth for what we're doing on certain projects. And to our customer, thank you very much for trusting us with this car. We know you drove a long way in this big, beautiful trailer behind John that's also getting a ceramic coating to make this happen. We don't take that lightly that people trust us with cars like this. So thank you. See you next video.